stating that the government is tracking their movement. He said that the way these individuals have come to Assam during the updation of the National Register of Citizens, the NRC, and failed it, a similar attempt has now been started once again. That's the breaking news coming in from Assam, where Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that the Congress, the Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, intellectuals, and he's named the people like Prashant Bhushan, Harsh Mandir, and some elements from Pakistan and Bangladesh are actively working to weaken Assam. That is the big statement coming in from the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, regarding the eviction drive that is taking place, and he's very clearly mentioned that there are forces and groups that are trying to weaken Assam, tarnish its image, especially from the side of the Congress party, the Jamaat-e-Islami, all working towards making activities towards anti-Assam situation at this point in time, and stating that the government is tracking their movement. He has also said that the way these individuals have come to Assam during the NRC and failed it, a similar attempt has been made once again. So very big statement coming there from the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, who said that the government is very well monitoring and tracking the movement of these elements, as well as he's also blamed the Congress over the eviction drive, and very clearly said that there are attempts made to weaken Assam at this point in time, and they are not just from Pakistan but as well as from Bangladesh as well, is what we understand at the given point. So big breaking news, viewers, we are tracking. He's also said that the government, as it has been tracking the movement of these people, he's also gone ahead and stated that they succeeded during the NRC, but to ensure that they do not succeed this time around, the government is keeping a very crucial watchful eye. In a recent weeks, remember viewers, the Assam government had cleared the encroachment on the lands in forests, the village grazing reserves and professional grazing reserves, which is a large majority of evictees, which were Mia Muslims, or other way known as Bengali Muslims. So there is a huge development coming in on that front, where the Assam Chief Minister has clearly stated that there are several attempts being made to weaken the state, and he's also said we are alert and firm. No propaganda or pressure will stop us from protecting our land and culture. Big message, viewers, big message coming in from Himanta Biswa Sarma. He said the government is alert, the government is firm, and there is going to be no propaganda or any kind of pressure that will stop the government from protecting the land and the culture. So very strong message coming in, where Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that tracking a Delhi-based team which is trying to create an unrest in Assam, very clearly hinting at the Congress as well. On the other hand, more breaking developments coming in. Syed Hamid planning